What's up everybody, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to swap from Ethereum to AVAX. So first thing you want to do is head on over to depouch.com domain, make sure you're on the right website, then go ahead and press swap now or swap up here. Then go ahead and press connect wallet, select Ethereum and select MetaMask because we're sending Ethereum from MetaMask and the Ethereum network. Okay, then go ahead and select Ethereum. And then we want to swap it to AVAX. So we can just search for it, or we could just out here press Ethereum and find Ethereum, or press Avalanche and find AVAX. Go ahead and take our destination address. You can see down here in my previous transactions, I have a transaction right here, and I know this is the address I want to receive the Avalanche on. So I'll just copy that, paste that in, and let's go ahead and swap around that much. Should be all good. That's a bit too much. I want to swap like just $2 worth or something. Yeah, there we go. Press swap, review the transaction. The slippage is a bit high, but that's because we're only swapping $2 and the outbound fee is about 25 cents. So that's why the slippage is a bit high, but this is just a demonstration video, so that's okay. Now keep in mind, we're actually swapping cross-chain here, so we're swapping real Ethereum for real AVAX. So there's no bridging and no nothing. This is real cross-chain swapping. Okay, looks good. Press confirm swap. Review the transaction in MetaMask. All looks good to me. Press confirm. Just close that. You can see it's submitting the transaction. So let's just wait a few seconds for it to be broadcasted to the network and get on chain. Okay. So that took a few minutes for it to actually get on chain, but it's okay because we could see it up here saying transaction submitting all the time. So that's good. And then we can see that our swap has already completed. So if we go ahead and check our AVAX address on an Explorer, we can see right here that we have received some AVAX. So you can see it under internal transactions. So it's right there. So that's it. That's how you swap from Ethereum to AVAX using the depouch cross-chain DEX. Thanks for watching.